channel. I'm Kavita. I make food, fashion, lifestyle and beauty related contents on this channel. And if you're a person who loves to watch this kind of contents, please do subscribe to my channel right now. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. Without any further ado, let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what I got from the Flipkart, Amazon and also Street Style Stores website. So I'm going to show you one by one. So these are the things that I got myself with all my money. This is not paid promotion or any kind of sponsorship. It's just me showing what I got from all this website. And also this is kind of a collective haul. It's like my birthday and Valentine's Day week and Republic Day sales. So I got all these stuffs from the sale within the January to till this February. So I'm going to show you all this collection which I got from the January till the February. So I've got everything under the sale, which is 80 to 90% or 50 to 80% of sales. 50 to 80% of sales during the Republic Day. I've placed a lot of during the Republic Day sale. I have purchased so many things and there are some of the things which are yet to come. So I'm going to make the video anyways. So first thing first that I'm going to show you in this haul is this is the cotton pad. So there are two cotton pads which I have not even separated. So to show you is this cotton pad. So these are the very useful cotton pads and these are from the Miniso and I got it from Amazon, and this comes in a combo. Actually, if you ever visit to Miniso, you know that this single cotton pad bag consists of 180 sheets, and this is priced for rupees 150. During the Republic Day sale, I got this combo of two cotton sheets or cotton pads for 150 rupees. That's just a deal, right? You can check this online. I will give the link in the description box. I don't know whether you can get this kind of combo packs right now because I got it in a Republic Day sale. Anyways, I'm going to mention or give the link in the description box. It's last for 1 year for me, and there are two bags right now. I can use it for at least 2 years without any tension, and I'm super happy about it. And the next thing that I got from Flipkart is this beautiful dress which I wanted to wear it on my birthday, but I could not wear it on my birthday. I wore something else which I'm going to show you in later. So in this video at the end, so that's the reason why I told you to watch till the end, because I'm going to show you the Street Style Store top. So this is the first time I'm shopping from the Street Style Store. That's the reason I'm telling you guys to stay till the end. So this is the beautiful magenta color floral, white floral dress. This is so good. This is so freaking cute. So this is the beautiful strappy floral dress. This is such a pretty magenta color with all the detailings over here. So it is such a pretty, it comes till your knee. It is so good. I mean it is filled with all the flowers, like white flowers, and also it has some button here in the front. So this is the strappy dress, and you can see this is how it looks like, and also it has like a button here and there in the front. Like related to clothing, I love Talkies dresses and denims. Everything from the Talkies is amazing, yet very affordable also. So the next thing that I got for my mom is this sweater. This sweater is so good. I mean, I can't tell you this. If I'm holding this, it's like cloud. I can feel it's so good and so comfy. It's like a cloud in your hand. It is so good, so soft, and this is how it looks like. This is a sweater normal, like your mom wear. Tutor pattern. It has like this kind of white, yellow flowers, and this is in a really like a perfect baby blue color, and also perfect smooth, perfect softness for this winter. And you can throw this on if you're a teenager, and if you want anything for your winters like this, you can also wear it for your office, you can also wear it for your colleges, schools. It's such good, it's cozy, comfy, it is worth the deal. And I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is from the brand Madu, and look how gorgeous it is. First you'll get a buttons like this, like a typical sweater. So you'll get a buttons, and this is just a basic sweater like you can throw on, but it is very thick, very cozy, comfy, thick sweater. So this is how it looks like. It has like a beautiful flower print all over it. It is so adorable and cute. I really liked. As soon as I saw this on the website, I was like, I want to get it for my mom, because she has like a old classic sweaters which mom would wear. So I thought I can gift it to my mom. So this is how it looks like.
$40 on my John Deere, $40 on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here. They can tell I ain't from round.
Also it has like a lining underneath, like it has this kind of material inside which makes you warm, which keep you very warm in the winter. So if you're looking for a nice jacket or nice sweater, I think you have to go for this. Is because of the color, print and everything. The quality is also really good. For 800 rupees, I think this is. So the next thing that I got from the Flipkart is this beautiful oversized t-shirt. This is in the size large, and I don't really remember the name of the brand. I'm going to insert the clip or the picture right here.
Town putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out. I turn heads when I'm swerving now. $40 on my John Deere, $40 on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here. They can tell I ain't from round here, but I can hit the two-step better than the rest.
This is a beautiful pink and white tie-dye t-shirt. So this is the oversized t-shirt. You can see the sleeves line are here. So this is very beautiful tie-dye t-shirt for a woman. So it's not men's t-shirt, it's women's t-shirt, and it says Infinite. It's so good, and also the material is really good. It's a pure cotton material, and I really like the tie-dye pattern. I always wanted to get my hands on the tie-dye t-shirts. After the trend is gone, I came back with these old tie-dye pattern t-shirts. And if you want this kind of tie-dye pattern oversized t-shirts on Zara or H&M, you would at least pay for 700-900 rupees for this kind of oversized t-shirts, that too in a tie-dye pattern. But on Flipkart, it was on Republic Day, it was just for rupees 399. As soon as I saw it was just for 399, I was like, I have to get this. So I quickly got myself this beautiful pink and white tie-dye shirt. I'm super happy about this purchase. So this is another t-shirt that I got from Flipkart. This is from the brand Weirdo. If you have not seen this short unboxing of this t-shirt, please do watch that short.
Llevan en la sangre el ritmo y el calor. Mira, ya te cuento, su veneno es mi adicción. Baile, fuego y movimiento lento, lento. Son puro amor. Mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son
Short video link in the description box. This is how it looks like. The t-shirt is oversized. This is also in the size medium, and this is from the brand Weirdo. You can see, and the quality of this is really good. And you can see this is the cow print. Yeah, this is the cow print t-shirt. This is also oversized as it is, and I wore it in some video, I don't know. Yeah, so this is so cool and comfy. The material is also really good. This is also cotton, and the print is really good. I wore it in Bangalore for the Jainagar 4th block video, but the color has not faded or any problem. I have not seen any problem with this t-shirt. I think this is such a deal. This is for rupees 399, and the brand from and this is from the brand Weirdo. You do check it out on Flipkart. I will give the link in the description box. Quickly going to the next t-shirt. This is from the brand Moda Rapido, and I'm in the size medium, and this is also oversized t-shirt, and it says
flama divina, son emoción. Las musas que dictan esta canción son bendición. Mujeres latinas, su ritmo es
so big. So it also has a print, hard print over here, and this is for rupees 399. Do check it out. I will give the link in the description box. I have bought it from Flipkart itself. This is the next purchase from a street style store. Sorry, I'm hurrying just because my battery is dying. So this is the sweater that I got from a street style store. So this is how it looks like. I wore it on my birthday. The quality is really good. I have never expected that street style stores will come up with this kind of quality. I really love the quality. The quality is really good. This kind of waist tops are right in the trend. So if you want to get your hands on this one, I will give the link in the description box. Please do check it out. So this is very beautiful pink and white. I'm lately very obsessed with the pink color and white color. So that's the reason why you can see all over pink. So my haul is filled with the pink color. So this is how it looks like. I'm in the size large.
Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. $40 on.
So this is in the size medium to large. So this is one size. There is no size selection for you guys. This is only one size available, that is medium and large. You can get this online. So I have got this one single piece. So my products are yet to come from the street style stores. The product deliveries took like 10 to 15 days. I think that's a great shipping timing from street style store. As I saw the reviews of the other videos, I think it's a great when it comes to me. It was in a very good condition and I love it. So street style stores ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವರ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಚೀಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾತಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೂಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ನನಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಶೂ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್, ಹೀಲ್ಸ್, ಶೂ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 799 ಗೆ 3, 1000 ಗೆ 3, 799 ಗೆ 3 ಹೀಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 799 ಗೆ 3, 1000 rupeesಗೆ 3 ಹೀಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ 2000 rupeesಗೆ 5 ಹೀಲ್ಸ್ 5 ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಂಬೋ ಆಫ್ 3, ಕಾಂಬೋ ಆಫ್ 2, ಕಾಂಬೋ ಆಫ್ 4 for 1000 rupees. ಸೊ 799 rupeesಗೆ 3 ಕ್ಲಾತಿಂಗು. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಲೈಕ್ ಶೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗಲ, ಶೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟಾಪ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸು ನಾನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಶೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋ ಥರ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾದಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು 799ಗೆ 3 ಹೀಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 799ಗೆ 3 ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ 365 ಡೇಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಕ್ಲಾದಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡನ್. So I'm done with the clothing items. So I want to go for the last part of my video is this beautiful block heels I'm going to show you. So this is from this brand called Sneak a Peek. So it came exactly like this dabba, like this, with this rubber band also. So I am keeping it intact. So this is from the brand Sneak a Peek, and let me show you how it is inside. The front portion is one of my favorite, and I so fell in love with this whenever I see it. Also the block, like the box edge is really classy. I feel it goes well with the saree, dress, or western wear or modern or whatever. It goes with everything. Also it has like a block heel. You can see it is like a 3 inches heels. Yeah, 3.5 inches heels, and it cost me for rupees 500, just exactly 500. Yes, you heard it right. It is just for rupees 500. Look how gorgeous it is, but still I got it for so affordable price. This is such an affordable price. I got this on Ajio big bold sale, like 80 to 90% off on that period, like in a Republic Day period or Valentine's Day period. Very very affordable. I got them just for rupees 500 after all the discounts and all that. And this is so classy and edgy, so chic and cool. So I'm going to link all of the products link in the description box. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also like button, and also share it with your friends if you like this video. And until the next video, bye guys.